Each day on a trip like this has a challenge of some sort. Some are bigger than others. Some get bigger over time. On this day, that challenge was food. We were down to our last rations. We thought we would find an open store right along the trail. This did not happen.
River. Hey, buddy.
Which way are you guys coming from? We're wondering where food is, but we did not know.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, you would think it would be here. Hi.
You feeling a little muddy?
Oh, it's
Do you
hard
want
to
a
wake
hug?
up. You were just having such a nice nap.
At Great Falls, we fed River the last of our peanut butter and chip-dry tortilla pieces, filled our water bottles, and then continued on trail, committing to getting to DC this day, even though it was an extra 25 miles more than the 20 miles we were planning that day.
What's it like to be on the last 10 miles?
Feels great.
Yeah.
Especially because we weren't anticipating being there right now. I was prepared for another 9 rolling
We didn't know we were going to run out of food. The guidebook, I guess, was right. The last 55 miles, there's really not good resupply options. It's not that there's zero, there's just nothing good.
I know, buddy. We're gonna go clean off. We have to get to town. We're all dirty.
How about, buddy? Good job.
I'm proud of you, River. Look at you. Yeah.
We'll drink some water, we'll take a potty break. Keep going.
Big tree.
Keep going. Dada's got to climb over too.
Good climbing. Dad,
Let go, let go, let go. You can do it. Good job.
Nice.
Was it scary? Yeah. Yep. Sometimes life gives you things that are scary.